Oh hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. In this video, I would like to show you two significant points. First is that the wok is multifunctional. You can use the wok for many different purposes. By choosing the right wok, you not only can use the wok on the stovetop for stir frying, but you can also put the wok in the oven. As in this case, I use my cast iron wok to bake a Thanksgiving chicken. And the wok turned out to be just the right size and right dimension for baking chicken. One of the most significant aspects of my fast cooking system is template-based cooking. So in baking this Thanksgiving chicken, I did not use any recipes. I used a set of templates to cook this chicken in the oven. Since I normally do not cook chicken like this, so it was a lot of fun for me to figure out how to do this correctly. Since this is only once a year, I decided I'm going to splurge on a organic chicken. That is free range, and it is a 5-pound chicken that cost me $15. And I don't mind to pay more for a good quality chicken. However, I don't eat whole chicken that much. In fact, the amount of chicken that we eat has gradually reduced. And now I mainly use chicken as a condiment for my dishes, which with the main ingredients being vegetables. Ever since I have adopted this dietary approach, I have seen many positive outcomes. My overall health have significantly improved. My blood cholesterol and my blood sugar level has returned back to its normal value. And my blood pressure is no longer in the hypertensive range. However, Thanksgiving is an important cultural tradition of this country. So baking this chicken in the Thanksgiving turkey style is something that I really want to do. To make the stuffing, I baked some bread earlier during the week. I baked this bread with rosemary. I break up the bread into small pieces and I put them on a cookie sheet and place them in the oven. I put the breadcrumbs in a mixing bowl with some diced onion. I also seasoned the mixture with seasoning agents from my masala dabur. I use mainly mushroom seasoning and lemon pepper, and a little bit of other seasoning agents as well. And I choose these seasoning agents based on my past experience in working with them. And this is part of my process of flavor chasing, which gives me a lot of flexibility in creating the type of flavors that I like. I then mix everything up, and now I'm ready to use this stuffing to stuff the chicken. To me, this is the fun part of cooking. That you apply from what you know from familiar situation in create dishes in a new situation. So after I have stuffed the chicken, I put it in my 13-inch cast iron wok. One great thing I love about the cast iron wok is that of its all metal construction. Because the wok is cast in one piece, this includes the handles. So consequently, a cast iron wok is great for use in the oven. However, I do not use my cast iron wok as my normal cooking utensil. The main reason is that it is too heavy, and that prevents me from moving it around easily. Also, the handle is not heat insulated, so if I want to move a cast iron wok, I always need to make sure that I use a heat insulated pad. However, I love cast iron wok. And now I use my cast iron wok mainly for baking in the oven. Okay, now the chicken is ready. I'm going to put it in the cast iron wok. I place a trivet in the middle of the cast iron wok. And I set the chicken right on top of the trivet. This will elevate the chicken so that the entire chicken will cook evenly. After I put the chicken in the wok, I cover the wok with a stainless steel dome cover. This dome cover comes from my 13-inch cook standard stainless steel wok. and it is just the right size for this 13-inch cast iron wok. I preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I put the wok in the oven and I'm going to cook the chicken for about an hour with the cover on. I then remove the wok from the oven. By now the chicken is about 25% done. I add vegetables around the chicken. This includes potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrot, and Brussels sprout. I'm going to put the cover back on and return the wok to the oven. And this will be cooked for another hour. By this time, I check the temperature of the chicken, which is about 180 degrees Fahrenheit. I remove the cover and I bake the entire content for another 30 minutes. I transfer all the vegetables to a serving plate. I glaze the chicken with thin layer of honey and soy sauce mix using a Teflon brush. I then bake the chicken for another 15 minutes without the cover. This causes browning and caramelization on the surface of the chicken. Okay, now the dinner is served. It takes a little while and the total cook time is approximately about 3 hours, which include prepping the vegetables as well as making the stuffings. And I have fun making this Thanksgiving dinner. It is definitely something different, and I do not mind doing it once in a while, but probably not every day. And for everyday cooking, I will stick with my fast cooking system. With flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking, I can cook a meal in less than 30 minutes, with much greater diversity as well as nutritional value. And thank you for watching. If you would like to learn more about my fast cooking system, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post a video every day to help people to get a better understanding of how the cooking system works. And I will see you tomorrow. Keep on cooking.